Pagringa side naman. Ikaw ma'am, what may be the relevance in quality content? Okay, daw. Okay, basic picture. Hindi yan, hindi daw. Masinis mo niya. Relevance in quality content. Idea lang, idea lang. Sige, paano ito may idea ka na?
May idea na nga siya.
Yung ba yung idea nyo ba yun doon? Ano yung relevance in quality content? Volleyball. So, may isip daw ba internet ko ano ba information or content? Quality ba or hindi siya quality? Why? Sige na. So, meron sa device, di ba? Mas kukulit updated sa balita. Unlike naman may devices ka, so lang sa is kapag sa mga business sa gilid, gawin mo all information. So online naman is meron mga fake news or fun. Simple, ako kaya kung sa information online, maka-research ka. So what do you mean by relevance and quality content? Sige na, pakibasa na lang ba? Ano to?
Balls have self-generated and digital device can receive data as given and high quality content. This can include educational resources, job opportunities, healthcare and nutrition.
Oh, sige daw, wala to. Speak up. In your own understanding na. What do you mean by relevance and quality? Exactly. One day, even if individuals have access to internet, the digital divide can persist if they lack of access to relevant and high-quality content and services. What do you mean by that?